I'm feeling high, high.
Hey guys, today on Off Grid Urban Living, I am going to, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood again. So today I'm going to cut up these almond bottles or containers, and I'm going to do some seed planting today. And this is just using what you have in your home, everyday items, to actually make containers versus spending money. So come along. Oh, and just so you know, this is a milk, almond milk container. This is a oatmeal container, and I've already gotten started, as you can see, and let's get it. Okay guys, after I have them cut up in the size that I want, I am now going to poke holes in them so that the water that I water, when I water the plants, the water will be able to flow instead of just sitting in there. However, these are cardboard, so I'm wondering, I don't know if it'll just, like, come out on its own, but it's good to have openings for the water to come out of. So let's do that now. Okay, next it's time to get the soil. And what I'm going to do, oh, well, actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some mulch at the bottom, and then I'm going to put the soil, the bottom soil, and then I'm going to put some top soil once I put the seeds in. All right, let's get it. Now this is the final completion. Now I just have to decide what seeds I'm going to put in. I think I've already identified. I'm going to replant some seeds, and because I think that I didn't do too well on my first go round in my greenhouse over here. We're going to see, time will still tell, because they have sprouted, some sprouted, and I'm going to not take a chance, but I think I'm going to do some tomato and some caprese, which is broccoli, I believe, and maybe some Brussels sprouts. So I'll see what I'm going to do.